Hello students, good afternoon. Last week we have completed our first chapter of 8th standard. That one is list and images in HTML, and before that we have taken one chapter by ourselves, that was the introduction to HTML. So last week we have completed the chapter, we have done the writing work of the chapter as well, and I hope that you have understood the chapter nicely. Today we are going to proceed further with our chapter number 2, that is tables and hyperlinks in HTML. One by one I will tell you what is table and what is hyperlink in HTML and how we use them with their tags. Okay, so you know that for giving any of the thing in HTML, if you want any of the thing in HTML, we have to use tags in HTML. So this table and hyperlink as well has their own tags, like unordered list was having the tag UL, definition list was having the tag DL. Inside it again there were different tags used, like paragraph was having the tag P. Okay, same in the same way table tag and hyperlink have their own tags. Okay, so what is table in HTML? First we will see that. Okay, so proceeding, the topics we are going to study in this chapter are tables in HTML, as the chapter name itself tells us that what we are going to study in this chapter, that is we are going to study tables in HTML. Tables means here not the tables that 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, not those tables. Table means how to design a particular data for storing record inside it. That table we are going to see, that how to design that form of table for web page in HTML. For web page, not a web page, the content on the web page. Okay, so how to design a table for a web page in HTML, that we are going to see. And next point that we will be studying in this chapter is hyperlinks in HTML. Okay, so we will go further slowly. First we will see what tables in HTML. So for creating a table in HTML, what the points we are going to study in this table in HTML are: creating a table, how to create a table in HTML, by using which tag we can create a table in HTML, how to use attributes of table element, like we saw there were attributes in image element, like src means source file, alt alternative file, width, height. These were the attributes we have used in the image tag. Then type attribute we have used in the unordered list and ordered list. Okay, so in the same way we have different attributes for table tag as well. So we will see them slowly. Now the third point that we are going to study in table in HTML is using attributes of tr, td and th element. Here the element also have a attribute as well as the inside element. Inside element we will see while seeing it practically. There are some tags like in ul and in ol tag we have used one tag called as li, list tag, li tag. Okay, in the same way inside this table tag there are again more 3 type of tags. They are the tr tag, the td tag and the th tag. Now I will tell you the full form. The tr stands for table row. Every table has a row. So on a web page we can see that here Chrome doesn't have any row, or your Internet Explorer doesn't have any kind of row. Can you see here that there are any kind of rows? No. On our web page there are our data is not in the form of rows and column. So for that purpose we have to design a table. So for that here for taking rows we have to use table row, tr tag, td tag. For entering data inside table we have to use td tag, and for entering the heading inside a table like name, roll number, these are the headings inside a table tag. Marks are the headings inside a table. So for giving headings to a table we can use a th tag. So we will see one by one how to use these tags, and afterwards we will see how to use the attributes of the table element and how to use the attributes of the tr, td and th tag in table, okay, in HTML. Okay, so first we will see the theory of how to create a table. So for creating a table, what we have to use? We have to use a tag called as table tag. The table tag. We have to use a tag called as table tag. Like for unordered list, we were using UL tag. For defining ordered list, we were using OL tag. For defining image, we were using IMG tag. In the same way, for defining a table, you have to use a table tag. After this, inside this, there are again different type of tags. As I told you earlier, that TR tag is used for defining a row inside table. TH tag is used for defining a table heading inside table, and the table heading, whenever we declare the TH tag inside a table tag, whenever we declare the TH tag inside this table tag, by default the table headings are bold. By default the table heading is bold, and the alignment of that heading is centered, okay. You know now alignment, we have studied in Word, Excel, PowerPoint, okay. And the table data, the whatever information we write inside that table, that information is written with the help of TD tag. So all these things we will see practically. So for that purpose, what we have to do, for doing HTML programs practically, we have to take a notepad. So here I have taken a notepad. In this notepad, first thing while doing HTML program is to use the HTML tag, as we have seen in the earlier video. So I am using both the tags together, that HTML heading, HTML starting, and the HTML ending tag. Same way, as I told you earlier, that whichever tags we use in HTML are written inside a body tag if they are having a information and if their content is going to be displayed inside a web page. At that time, what we have to do, we have to use different tags inside a body tag, So I am using collective over here, the body starting tag and body ending tag, okay. So I have used here body tag. After this, what I want to do now, I want to create a table on a web page. So for creating a table on a web page, what you have to do, inside a body tag you have to use a table tag. So see here, I am using my starting and ending tag both together, and after that I am going at the top, okay. So here going towards starting tag, I will press enter, and here the first thing that we will require while creating a table, अगर आपको प्लेन पेज के ऊपर अगर आपको बोला कि कुछ डेटा राइट करो इन अ टेबल, तो व्हाट यू विल डू, फर्स्ट विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल एंड पेंसिल यू विल क्रिएट अ रो एंड अ कॉलम ऑन अ पेपर, ऑन अ प्लेन पेपर. अगर ऐसा प्लेन पेपर है तो आप क्या करोगे, स्केल से रो और कॉलम क्रिएट करोगे. तो मुझे क्या चाहिए ना, सबसे पहले अपने वेब पेज के ऊपर टेबल का रो चाहिए. क्या चाहिए, टेबल का रो चाहिए. तो टेबल के रो, तो मैं यहाँ पे क्या करूँगी, फर्स्ट आई विल डिफाइन द TR टैग. फॉर डिफाइनिंग अ टेबल रो यू कैन यूज द TR टैग, ओके. सो बोथ टैग्स आई एम गोइंग टू यूज टुगेदर एज वेल, द TR स्टार्टिंग टैग एंड द TR ending tag. You can give together, मतलब आप बाद में भूल ना सको, okay. So here I am pressing enter. Now inside table we have defined our table row. बट वॉट आफ्टर दैट, उसके बाद क्या, तो टेबल के रो दिया हमने, बट हर एक टेबल में आफ्टर ड्रॉइंग अ रो हम सबसे पहले क्या देते हैं, डेटा एंटर करते हैं क्या, नो. फर्स्ट वी गिव हेडिंग्स टू द टेबल. सो हियर आई एम गिविंग हेडिंग. For providing a heading, I am using a heading tag, that is TH tag. For giving heading inside a table, I am using a table heading. The full form of TH is table heading. I am using the TH tag for defining a heading inside a table. So first heading I will give inside a table is the first name. Okay. So here I am closing my TH tag again. After first name, suppose second heading I want to give here is the last name. So that also I have to declare inside the table heading tag. Inside TH tag, you can only define the headings, not the data. Okay. So here I am giving here first name, then last name, and I am closing this. same way here and age. Okay, here I have given my table heading. Now I can come down. Now here I have created one row inside table. For what I have created this row? For giving the heading, for applying for using my heading, for giving heading to the table. I have created this first row. ये पहला row मैंने create किया for giving heading to the table. Likewise we will see in a Excel sheet. For example, अभी आपका ये first वाला है ना, फर्स्ट वाला है ना, यहाँ पे क्या करोगे, ये फर्स्ट रो है आपका, तो यहाँ पे क्या करोगे, आप टेबल की हेडिंग दोगे कि नहीं. तो हमने क्या किया, ये जो टी आर और टी एच एंडिंग टैग है ना, इनके बीच में हमने क्या किया, हेडिंग डिक्लेयर कर दिया. मतलब ये हेडिंग वाला रो हो गया. अभी हमें टेबल के अंदर क्या करना है, डेटा भी लिखना है ना, टेबल के अंदर डेटा भी देना है ना. तो उसके लिए हमें और एक रो लगेगा. वी विल रिक्वायर अगेन वन रो. we want again one row, so again you have to define here tr tag. Again you have to define here tr tag before the table tag. Okay, so यहाँ पे मैंने tr और tr ending tag दोनों डिफाइन कर लिए. आफ्टर डिफाइनिंग दिस, अभी टेबल के अंदर हेडिंग देना है क्या, हमें नहीं. क्या देना है फिर टेबल के अंदर, अभी ये फर्स्ट नेम के अंदर नेम्स आएंगे, लास्ट नेम के अंदर आपके सरनेम आएंगे, एज के अंदर एज आएगी. ओके, मतलब डेटा आएगा. तो फिर डेटा देने के लिए हम कौन सा टैग यूज करते हैं, फॉर गिविंग डेटा इन आवर टेबल, विच टैग वी यूज द td टैग. कौन सा टैग यूज करते हैं, td टैग. सो हियर आई एम यूजिंग माई डेटा td. ओके, सो हियर आई विल गिव फर्स्ट नेम एज Kajal. Okay, and I will close this tag. Here I am providing the information. Again here last name I have to give td thore. Okay, so here in this way, and age as 15. Okay, so in this way I can give data to my table. Okay, so this one is the data of the first student. Okay, now I want again one entry. So what I can do here, for giving giving again one entry in this table, for what we can do, we will have to create again one row. तो यहाँ पे देखो मैंने एक और रो लिया. ओके, वो रो का एंडिंग टैग यहाँ पे मैंने डिक्लेयर कर दिया by using slash, and inside this again I am so td here again Sonal. I am closing here my td tag. Jain. Here I have to give age. So in this way you can view data in your table. Okay, in this way you can view data in your table. So now it's time to save the program. So first, before that, see here after body tag, here I have used starting tag after body starting tag, and before ending the body tag I have ended my table tag. After that I have declared here three rows, one for heading, one for first information, and one for the second information. Okay, so now it's time to save the program. So go in a file and click on save for saving the program. Now where we have saved our program last time, so for saving our program we have created a folder on a desktop. We have created a folder called HTML. You have to click on a HTML folder, and here you have to save your program. Now this program is of table. So here I have given name to this program as a table, and after that I am using the extension that is .html, and click on save. After you click on save, your program is saved. Now what is the next next part, now you have to view your output. So how you can view your output? Just go in the folder. After going in the folder, here you can see that your program is saved with a table name. Just right click over there and go on open with, and whichever browser you want, you can go over there and you can click over it. So here you can see that here first name, last name, age, these things we have given inside a T hashtag, and this is the first row of the table. This one is the first row in which we have declared the table headings. The three types of headings we have declared. So see, this one is the first row where we have declared three types of heading. That one is the first name, last name and age. Next, in this second row we have given the information. Okay, so see here, the first name contain the information. Okay, this information, and the second row contain this information. Okay, and after that we have closed here table tag. So in this way you can create table in HTML. Now further points are remaining of this chapter, that is using attributes of tr, td and th element, that we will see in a next lecture. But before ending this, please do practice of this program, of this practical at your home in a notepad, and if after the practical is done, just inform me with thumb or by saying yes that we have performed a practical. Just inform me. Okay, and if you are having any doubt in this chapter, we can have a discussion on Tuesday, or else you can contact me on my number as well. Okay, in personal. Okay, so thank you.